In this video, I'm going to show you how to block and unblock someone on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp application and then you have to open up a conversation with the person that you want to block. Then right here at the top, tap at that person's name and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can find this block feature. Just tap where it says block and then hit on block again to block that person. Now in that way you can block any other's person, and now let me show you how you can easily unblock them. The easiest way to do it is to open up Settings, then tap on Account, next hit on Privacy, and right there tap at Blocked. So here you got a list of all your blocked contacts, and right there you can swipe over to the left on that person's name that you want to unblock. It gives you option to unblock this user. Just hit on unblock and that's it. I have just unblocked that person. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.